Hey, it's Sam Manor from Little's Travel Restraints. I'm down here at South Windsor and we're working on a 79 series Land Cruiser. Today, I'm not establishing anchor points. What I am doing is putting an additional seat in the front between the driver and the passenger. We're using a tech-safe seat. Yes, when you have a family of 4 and you only have a 5-seater, we're going to convert it to a 6-seater. And so we're using a tech-safe seat. As you can see here, the additional seat here. Okay, it does only have a lap belt in the front here, which is legal. It does require an engineer's report. So as you can see, if this is locked in, but if we can unlock that at the same time, bring that forward. Okay, when you're not using it to putting children in it, you can use it and you've got the drink holders in there. So it goes back. Now, here's the thing. In New South Wales, you can put a child from 8 years right through to an adult sitting in front of it. But if you're living in WA, well, that's a different rule. Up to 12 years and that's it. But I want to see the back of it here, and people will be asking, can we move the seat forward? Well, we can't. That's exactly where it's got to be, and according to the manufacturer specifications. So it does make a difference in what seats you actually install here, giving the child in the back some leg room. And you want to make sure your seats are installed correctly, because as you can see, there's not a lot of room between the child that's sitting in the center and the back of the seat there. So it's important not only fitting the seats correctly, but also choosing the correct seat to make life a lot easier for you to use. And as you can see, we've just turned this from this is where another child's going to sit here, and we're going to turn that into a 5-seater, into a 6-seater. And the family can't wait to get into this and travel. I'm Sam. I hope this has been helpful, and we'll catch you on the next video.